Let's open this up. RP Singh ji, national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Sushil Pandit. Anish Davande, the national spokesperson of the NCP Sharad Pawar faction. Tehseen Poonawala. Vivek Srivastav ji. Professor Monojit Mondal. Srinjoy Chaudhary here in the studio with me. Dr. Anand Ranganathan completes this panel. I thought, Dr. Ranganathan, I would come to you a little later. But Imran Masood says, and I am hoping you heard what he said, Israel na kabhi hamara hai, na kabhi tha, na kabhi hoga. ये कौन से स्कूल में जाते हैं, क्या पढ़ते हैं? What do you want to tell the likes of Imran Masood?
It's very clear that people like Imran Masood don't want India to be protected, don't want India to be saved. Because anyone who says that Israel was never ours, Israel wasn't our friend, doesn't know the history, doesn't know that if at all there has been one time trusted friend that India has had ever since it attained independence in 1947, it is Israel. And the problem that India has is, as what General Lawar said, the 0.5 front war. Imran Masood does not understand the fact that in 1971, when most of our Arab allies actually sided with Pakistan, it was Israel that came to our help and supplied us with essential ammo that turned the tide, and we won the war against Pakistan in Bangladesh. And we backstabbed them during the Yom Kippur War in 1973. In the Kargil War, when the tide was against us, there were sanctions against India. Ignoring the US sanctions, Israel supplied us absolutely critical laser-guided ammo, turned the tide of the war. So people like Imran Masood don't want India to win, perhaps. That is the reason they don't want anybody to help us, and Israel being one. But secondly, all those people who are saying Modi should talk about the Muslims of Gaza genocide, those, I don't know, I don't even want to use the strong words, but let me just use the phrase बब्बर शेर. ये किस तरह के बब्बर शेर हैं जो वो आपने देखा होगा फैंसी ड्रेस में वो पहन के आ जाते हैं ना, वो वाले बब्बर शेर हैं. क्योंकि इनको genocide of Hindus in Bangladesh they don't see, genocide of Hindus in Kashmir they don't see, genocide of Hindus in Pakistan they don't see, genocide of Muslims in China they don't see. They only see the so-called genocide of Muslims in Gaza. By the way, in China, and my good friend from China is here, or I don't know whether he's from China, but certainly,
Vivek heart is in China.
Heart is in China. Mind to hai hi nahi. Lekin, and I tell you this, I can write it and sign it in duplicate. He is going to say that I am peddling fake news when I quote the Guardian, the Independent, the White House, the America, everyone saying that China has right now interned 1.5 million Uyghur Muslims in concentration camps, is feeding them pork and forcibly sterilizing them. China has demolished 1,700 mosques in the last 10 years. But they won't say, because China is, of course, Vivek and China go back a long way. But look, 1.15 billion Indians, and I've done my calculation, 1.15 billion Indians stand with Israel. Because standing with Israel, Pranesh, is not only moral, it is imperative that we do so. We are repaying a debt, and that is what friends do. The fact of the matter is, the moral question is going to be explained in just 30 seconds. The fact of the matter is, number one, Hamas and Hezbollah use residential areas and hospitals as ammo dumps and patients as human shields, rendering the Geneva Convention invalid. And here is the thing. The hospitals in Gaza were safe and functioning well till October 6, 2023, were they not? And they would have continued to be safe and function well beyond that, had Hamas not murdered 1,400 innocent Jews and microwave babies on October 7 and brought on this war upon itself. So don't talk about genocide. The real genocide that happened was against Israel and against Jews on October 7, 2023. And the fact of the matter is, Israel also believes in the two-state solution. and it is the Jews that are being persecuted there. It is exactly like Pakistan saying that we are the victims and India is the perpetrator. Out there, all the neighbors of Israel are saying we are the victim, Israel is the perpetrator. But I ask a very, very simple question. Have you ever wondered, just 30 seconds, that a small sliver of land surrounded by the richest, the wealthiest nations in the world, the Arab states, the Gaza Strip, remains the poorest, when the same nations have converted deserts into Dubai? And yet, Gaza is the poorest, filthiest, sickest, most dangerous place in the world. You know why? Because they want to play the victim card. Just like after they start the violence, kill Jews, they march down their dead, killed in retaliatory Israeli action to show the world that Israel is the oppressor. They project Gaza as an open-air prison and gutter because Israel has made it so. They care more about denigrating Israel than about developing Palestine. That is the harsh truth, Pranesh.
Let's put it to Vivek Srivastav. Your friend has been listening to you intently, smiling intermittently. Let's see whether the smile lasts through the show. विवेक श्रीवास्तव जी, 7 अक्टूबर 2023 जेनोसाइड हुआ था, कहां हुआ था, किसने किया था?
पहले बताइए। आप सवाल सिर्फ मेरे लिए रखते हैं। कितने मिनट देंगे मुझे सर? 2 मिनट, 1 मिनट, 30 सेकंड, 10 सेकंड?
वो
इंटरफेयर करने से पहले जरा ये भी
नहीं, मैं बता देता हूं, वो पूरी तरह से डिपेंड करता है कि आप जवाब कैसे देते हैं। अगर आप सच बोलेंगे तो पूरा शो आपका है, अगर आप नहीं बोलेंगे तो फिर और सवाल पूछे जाएंगे।
सच नहीं। आप टाइम इस हिसाब से देखते हैं कि कौन प्राइम मिनिस्टर को सपोर्ट करेगा, उसके हिसाब से टाइम अलॉट होता है। और अगर गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ बोलोगे तो टाइम कम मिलता है और क्वेश्चन ज्यादा होते हैं। सर, रमजान मुबारक हो, हैप्पी रमजान टू यू एंड द होल नेशन। इस देश में दिवाली भी सब मनाते हैं और ईद भी सब मनाते हैं, लेकिन प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने रमजान का गिफ्ट दे दिया। प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने रमजान का गिफ्ट इस देश के मुसलमानों को, इस पृथ्वी के मुसलमानों को, सबको दिया जब गए और बोला आई स्टैंड विद इजराइल, आई सपोर्ट इजराइल अगेंस्ट ईरान, आई सपोर्ट इजराइल अगेंस्ट द पीपल ऑफ पैलेस्टीन। बच्चों की लाशें, औरतों की लाशें मैटर नहीं करती। 70 साल तक इजराइल ने जो किया उसके लिए रंगनाथन जैसे लोगों को बिठवा के बोलूंगा 23 ये देखो, ये क्या किया था इजराइल ने, ये क्या किया था 7 तारीख को, ये देखो उसको। 1 इंसिडेंस वर्सेस 70 ईयर्स। और यहां लीपापोती चल रही है, पॉलिटिक्स हो रही है। जयचंद है ये, जयचंद। राहुल गांधी ने कहा द प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड। यस, ही इज कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड। ये सब अमेरिका डिसाइड करता है। अमेरिका कहता है, डोनाल्ड ट्रंप सेज आई मेड द 2 बॉयज सिट एंड आई सेड डू सीज फायर, माय प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज साइलेंट। डोनाल्ड ट्रंप सेज I told Modi, let's have a deal. I'm reducing the tariff to 18%. Prime Minister doesn't say anything. He says, India has agreed not to buy Russian oil. The Prime Minister doesn't say anything. Donald Trump कहता है, वेनेजुएला जिसको मैंने अटैक किया, बेडरूम से उसके प्रेसिडेंट को उठाया, किडनैप किया, लेकर गया, जेल में डाला, उस वेनेजुएला का तेल मैं बेचूंगा और मेरे थ्रू इंडिया लेगा। My Prime Minister doesn't say anything.
Let's talk about the genocide. I've given you the date and year. How difficult is it to, condemn that? And how dare you say that this is, just one incident? One incident, 1,200 people were butchered. This is one incident for you? And talk of the plight of, talk of the plight of Uyghur Muslims in China. I dare you to say a word against China.
For it. Criticize Hamas for it. I am saying I criticize Hamas for it. It was wrong.
No, 1 minute. What is?
But then,
No, 1 minute. आप बोल रहे हैं रमजान का गिफ्ट दे दिया प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने। यहां जो गिफ्ट हर महीने दे रहा है चाइना, उस पर कुछ नहीं बोलना आपको।
हाँ, कुछ नहीं दे रहा, कोई किसी को नहीं दे रहा।
रमजान दे रहे हैं और पोस्ट रमजान भी वो चलेगा, उस पर कुछ नहीं बोलना आपको।
नहीं है, कोई प्री रमजान नहीं है सर। 1948 का नक्शा पैलेस्टीन इजराइल का, 1966 का नक्शा, 2000 का नक्शा और 2026 चारों पड़े हैं कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी के ऑफिस में। और किस तरीके से लैंड को छीना है इजराइल ने पैलेस्टीन से। Arabs have been displaced from their own land. We stood with the Jews in the Holocaust. हम लड़े थे, कम्युनिस्ट हैं हम लड़े थे फांसीवाद से और हिटलर से, हराया था उसको। लेकिन आज जो कर रहा है इजराइल, दिस इज फासिज्म। कैपिटलिज्म है और एक आदमी इंडिया को खरीद रहा है।
डॉक्टर रंगनाथन, you've triggered विवेक श्रीवास्तव। इसको आजकल रेज बेट बोलते हैं। If the other person can't answer your question, you are at fault.
Are saying they fought against Hitler. You had a pact with Hitler. Stalin और Hitler का pact. ये क्या बोल रहे हो यार तुम? Do you have any sense, Vivek? Don't insult, don't embarrass the intelligence of Indians. Did you or did you not have a pact with Hitler? Mute
पढ़ो
कर
जाकर के
दिया,
हिस्ट्री. हाँ, you don't know anything. Allied powers कौन थी, Axis powers कौन थी.
But sir,
आप
fact is
इतिहास
a
की
reality. It is documented history. Vivek Srivastava. You can Google and find it out.